Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your old message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and if we want to check our old message on Instagram, we need to download our Instagram information. To download the Instagram information, we can go to the Instagram activity. Go to your profile first, and then you can click on these three lines, and then you have to select your activity. Okay, and you have to scroll down until you find the download your information, and I'm going to click on download or transfer information. Okay, and since I have logged into multiple accounts on Instagram, I'm going to select one of them. For instance, I'm going to check my old message on this Instagram account. I'm going to select it, and we can click on next. Okay, and you can choose some of your information. And since we want to check old message, we have to select messages. Okay, and then click on next. And I'm going to select download to device and then click on next. And then I'm going to select the date range. I'm just going to select all time, click on save. And then for the format, I'm going to choose this one. Just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to click on create files. Okay, and we just need to wait until the information has been shared to our email, and we can click on done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check old message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.